Hi, I'm Ingrid Jones from the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about how to make a cake stand using vases, candle holders, paint, that sort of thing. So I started by scrounging around in our back room, and I found a vase and a plate, and I actually have a couple of them. And if I were just making a cake stand, I would probably just make one layer. Our favorite glue for this sort of thing is E6000. Well used, as you can see. It holds almost anything. It takes a few minutes to cure, but once it does, it holds really well. And it works with glass, wood, almost anything you would want to glue together. So I place my E6000 on the top and put my plate in place. Big old glob of this stuff. Now my intention is to paint it afterwards, so I'm not going to worry so much about things showing up. Now the E6000 does take a little time to cure. But once I've left it and it's done, I would come back and I could prime it with some spray paint and then paint it any color I wanted. Or the other option, since it is glass, is for me to decoupage on the back side. So the top side is still glass, but the back side has an image on it. As long as I do it with the image up, you're going to see it through the glass. So that's one option to do as well. Now, if I wanted more of a tiered cake holder rather than just a single one, I might take a little collection of things and stack them all together so that I end up with a tier versus just a cake stand. I'm Ingrid Jones with the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!